Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Queso is a Mexican-inspired appetizer or side dish of thick and creamy melted cheese. Not to be confused with queso fundido, which is a dish of solely melted hot cheese, perfect for some cheese pull instas. You can add some pizzazz to your queso by mixing up the ingredients.
Take our lead.
Luckily, it's easy to thin out. The best way to thin out small batch queso is to stir in extra milk while reheating. Although this recipe calls for evaporated milk, it seems a little silly to open up a new can to use a small amount. You can use dairy milk in a pinch when reheating.
Make your mark, take our lead.
3 answers. This is a combination of the type of cheese and too much heat. Some cheeses melt more readily, mozzarella for example, but all of them will seize up if they are heated too much too fast. The proteins curl up and separate from the fat and water in the cheese.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cheeses with lower water levels will not melt as well as cheeses with higher water levels. This is because the molecules in dense cheese do not have much room to flow, even after the cheese is fully melted. Parmesan cheese will not get runny when it melted.
Make your mark, take our lead.
So what's the difference between Arkansas cheese dip and its Texan cousin? While queso clumps as it cools, cheese dip stays dippable because it combines natural cheese with the processed stuff. The two are melted and flavored with peppers, garlic, tomatoes, and spices like cumin and chili powder.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.